You like this screen or that one?
Which one? That one you're pointing at, yeah.
Like that screen?
That one.
It looks like how much of
Why you say that?
got little nail holes in it.
It's probably character.
No, there's little nail holes in it. Say they bring it back. Still get it. There's a reason why they brought it back.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be building our vanity area on the left side of the van near the sink area. So it's going to be on that side of the wall. And then we're going to be putting up all of our wall for that side of the van. And we're loading all of our wood into our small little car. Let's see if everything fits. Let's go. Oh shit, it fits.
So what you guys think? It fits all this wood?
So we drilled in a hole so we can feed our electrical wires through it. This wire is the one that's connected to our van and not our solar. It's gonna go into this vanity area that we're gonna be building. It's gonna have a light socket where we can charge all of our phones, USB, and our mirror as well.
Alright guys, show you what we got today. We got these LED chargers for USB. So when we charge our phone or laptop, we're gonna hook it straight up in here. Mount it there. Drill in our hole. Fire the hole!
Out. Yep, it came out already. Feeding the wire.
There you go, guys. Right there. That's it. It's gonna look like that back there. So we just hook it up there. See what it look like after that. Don't let it touch.
What? It's not touching. Alright. It works. So let's plug that up and charge it and see what happens. Well, we already know it works because the light came on.
Yep, look at there.
We are
charged, baby.
So our mirror is here and I'm currently charging it. on the socket that we made. Mirror's being charged. Our vanity mirror, which is gonna go in here in a few. I'm also charging up our Wi-Fi for the van. So once it's fully charged, I will show you how the internet works. Or how does it work? Is it going to be a hidden compartment?
No.
This is our vanity area. We're going to put our vanity mirror in there and all of our skincare product. We framed this backboard. This is where our vanity mirror is going to go. The mirror is not made to be hung the way we're going to hang it sideways. We have to pre-drill our holes because it didn't come with any pre-drill holes at all. Another customize in the book for us to do. But let's see how it turns out. Our vanity is in. And our light works. Yay. I'm just wiring our light socket, and this one goes into our van battery as well, not the solar yet. We're saving the solar possibly for a refrigerator, but our van's already made enough sockets for us, or enough light area for us to extend the wires to make multiple sockets all over, and our battery should be able to handle it. We just test the wire and it works. We charged it our phone. Now we're gonna go ahead and nail in the board. We always pre-drill all of our holes on the wood before nailing because that puts less stress on the wood. That way we won't crack the wood or anything, but it's been working every single time. We decided to cut some wood to frame our vanity area. I made a little frame for it around the area. So we're finished with this side of the van. It turned out pretty nice, nicer than we imagined.
See what you're working on today. All right. Who is in here? Oh, she's knocked out. What are you doing? They're supposed to be working.
I'm gonna sleep.
I found some mattress off of Facebook Market for $40. It wasn't too bad. It was in good condition. So I'm going to be cutting this up and fixing our couch on our next video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.